How to connect phone to TV. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video we will discuss how we can connect your phone to your TV. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So depending upon your device type and your valuable equipment, there are two methods that you can go for. First option, to go for the wireless method, or the second option, the wired method. So for the wireless method, ensure that both of your mobile device and your TV is connected under the same Wi-Fi network. If not, connect your TV and phone under the same Wi-Fi network. After that, on your device, swipe down your quick settings, and here swipe to your left. There is an option as cached. You have to tap on that. Or if you cannot find that option, look for screen mirroring. Once you find it out, tap on it, and then from the list you have to select your TV. Then your phone screen should now appear on your TV. If you want to go for the wired method, then you can use the HDMI cable with adapter. On your Android device, use a USB-C type to HDMI adapter. Plug your HDMI into a TV and adapter to your phone. Then change the TV input to the correct HDMI source, and after that you will find your mobile screen on your TV as well. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.